Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy. You want more information about how to take home a rescued dog? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to take home a rescued dog is www.howstuffworks.com. See the page titled How Stuff Works homepage / full URL for mobile. Here's the link. You can also try wiki.whobph.com, especially the page How to Get Your Dog to Stop Peeing All Over the House. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.dogsblog.com. The webpage Dogs for Adoption and Rescue, dogsblog.com. This is the link.